Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said the new India is moving ahead with the mantra of intent, innovation and implementation in the defence sector while inaugurating the DEF Expo 22 at Gandhinagar in Gujarat. The BJP has released its list of 62 candidates for the upcoming elections to be held for Himachal Assembly on November 12. The counting of votes for Congress President election is underway at party headquarters in New Delhi. Party leaders Mallikarjun Kharge and Shashi Tharoor are in the fray for the top party post. The result is expected to be declared by this evening. Union Minister for New and Renewable Energy R.K. Singh said that renewable energy is not only a solution to tackle climate change but also a viable substitute for fossil fuels. Education and Skill Development Minister Dharmendra Pradhan has given his consent to start the process of public consultation on the National Credit Framework from today.